heart of Italy, nestled in a vale of undulating hills, lies a city that has transcended time. Welcome to the Verona of 3399, a place where the antique cobblestones of yore harmoniously blend with the sleek, shimmering edifices of the future. Here, hovercrafts glide over streets that once echoed with the clatter of horse-drawn carriages, while holograms dance around age-old balconies, recounting a love story that has endured through the ages. Our tale begins with Romeo, a figure from the past who steps into the light of the future, his medieval attire adorned with twinkling LED lights. His path crosses with Takeshi Suzuka, an autistic boy dressed in an astronaut suit mingled with traditional Japanese elements. Their meeting place is a secret lab hidden beneath the ancient Arena di Verona, a hub of historic artifacts and cutting-edge time travel technology. Together they hatch a plan, using the time machine to rewrite the tragic fate of Giulietta, their conversations unfolding against a backdrop of holographic blueprints and star maps. As our story unfolds, the age-old feud between the Montagues and Capulets reaches its climax beneath the historic Ponte Pietra. Here, warriors clad in armors that blend the medieval with the futuristic clash, their weapons emitting beams of light that pierce the night, their shields radiating with energy. Amid the chaos, Romeo and Takeshi navigate the battlefield, using time-altering devices to evade their foes and reach Giulietta. On the famed balcony, now transformed into a viewing platform overlooking the futuristic cityscape, Romeo and Giulietta share a moment of intimacy. Their conversation, a cocktail of hope and despair, is punctuated by visions conjured by Takeshi. He presents alternate futures, teasing the possibility of different endings to their tale. The scene is brought to life with visual effects that meld historical imagery with fantastical scenarios. Our tale reaches its climax as an holographic message from Romeo and Giulietta spreads across the city, momentarily uniting its citizens in reflection on love and conflict. The final scene reveals a transforming Verona, elements of the ancient city fading away to unveil a new era of peace and understanding. This future, this newfound unity, is inspired by the timeless love story of two star-crossed lovers, Romeo and Giulietta. Their tale, as enduring as the city itself, has served as a beacon, guiding Verona into a future where love triumphs over hate and understanding over conflict.